This is a brief overview of the product called DAQ2GO, and the description of this device is within the context of its being used to make a complete system of measurement and control. DAQ2GO is a complete working environment for building a measurement and control system, and it provides a facile way for scientists and engineers to build practical, complete, and functional systems just from a collection of sensor signals and hardware elements. It was designed by instrument engineers and measurement technology, and it leverages the advances in software and hardware for the sake of economy and stability. It provides rapid prototyping and development of measurement systems, and it was designed specifically to eliminate the need for special programming or electrical engineering to get a job done. It uses Microsoft Excel as a software basis for the environment, and it uses high-performance multifunction electronics. These are seamlessly integrated into a whole system, and it contains, in addition, deft and efficient tools and utilities aimed at acquiring and processing data in a variety of ways and controlling hardware and communication. Let's look at the electronics briefly. There's plenty of I/O, and you can see more about it at the DAQ2GO.com site for specifications. 6 A to Ds, 3 D to As, 4 digital ins, 8 digital outs, pulse width modulation. Signals can be taken as well as RS-232 and 485, and we have frequency and current loop options for input and output. There are high-performance systems. For example, you get 20 to 24 bits on the A to D, high input impedance, so you can use electrochemical sensors and thermocouples directly. The inputs are optically isolated and overvoltage protected. Medium speed, kilohertz and down. It is of a universal format and has signed drivers, so it's easy to put in place, and it can be expanded to have high power outputs and have reference voltages and extra terminals in places to connect things together. It has wide compatibility and connectivity with other devices, and because of the basis, it is economical to buy. The software part is really a familiar environment, and it takes full advantage of the math and graphic tools and the structural aspects of Excel. It's a well-supported system. It's long-term stable, has compatibility with the other products. It's got a huge user base for information and ideas. And DAQ2GO provides ready-to-go applications, and these are easy to modify and customize. We provide also macros, worksheets, and templates for people that want to do mix and match, and also tools, separate tools for acquisition, analysis, and instrument control. Some of the applications that we have done, which you can find on the DAQ2GO site, are gas chromatography, high-performance viscometry, a programmable controller, one for temperature, another different one for hydraulics, a third one for a viscometer, and a servo-hydraulic tester, evaluating sensors, study on polymerizations, and then thermal analyzers and a thermal analysis study. Here's a typical look. Here's a control form. You can just click a button and boom, you're taking data. Immediately you get 6 charts, if you want them, of real-time data, auto-scaled and everything in real time. In this case, we added tabs so that we can have different things of interest come up at different times. Here's another different user form. It's a one sheet with just click of a button to control the instrument and take data in real time. Here's an example of it actually where we programmed it to cyclically test the sample, grab the data, plot it all up so you could see hysteresis in the sample. Here's an example where we put different sensors on one instrument and compared the sensors in a given application. So in summary, it's got an Excel basis, it's ready to use examples and application tools are there for quick and easy ways to get up and running, and it's modest cost. Look at the DAQ2GO site for more details.